Hi, I'm Chandana Suryarachi. So currently I'm the owner of this factory. This is Surya Weaving Mills. So to the entire Sri Lanka with this technology, currently only 2 factories are remaining. So actually you can see this is our second step. This is really unique to us. This is like what we are doing is the yarn drying as well as the yarn conditioning. You can see this area we have a lot of fresh air. So after you colored, we are putting on this way. So we put the wet yarn hand and the fabric to expose to the natural air and the mid sunlight. Then gradually, so yarn hand get dried when passing the natural air and the sunlight. It's kind of a conditioning as well as a drying method. Now we are the only one practicing to the entire Sri Lanka with this method. So over there we are doing the coloring. We'll go and see how we do the coloring. Material. This is 100% natural virgin cotton. See, this is natural product. It's contain lot of dirts and the waxes. If you do the coloring without any proper cleaning, proper purification, so while you are doing the coloring, dye will not absorb properly. Therefore we have to do the proper cleaning before we start the dyeing process. So to that also we are using the really traditional method. Number of centuries ago Sri Lankan people they were practices. So we haven't used any kind of really harmful chemicals. We put only soap liquid and keep around 2 to 3 days soak on the soap liquid. With the time it get kind of a pulp. Then while you are washing the yarn hand, most of the dirt, wax removes. So this is the way we are doing the purifications, cleaning the yarn hand. So there we are doing the coloring. We'll go and see that. Okay, now this is the area we are doing the coloring. So you can see the way we are doing the coloring. So this is with the 100% natural color. So we boil the jackfruit, sawdust of the jackfruit actually. We continuously boil it and we do the kind of kind of a color. So you can see it the way we are doing it. After conditioning and dry, it's like this. So this is only one thread, but to make the fabric, at least you need to have around 2000 to 2500 threads. You can see here, we have many threads. Then, even though you see as a bulk, this is only one thread. We need to split it. You can see here, this lady, she's doing after that, this is kind of a yarn collector. Technically, we call this process warping process. But this lady doing, she is loading all the tools to here, and from here to she's going to do this big drum. Then the drum to the controller. To this direction. Then by hand, this lady, she's passing this unit from this side to that side, and that end to this side. By leg, she's doing up, down, up.